Remember to like our video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications. This is brought to you by Valet Maids Dallas, your Dallas cleaning service. Use code SAVE30 for $30 off your first home cleaning at valetmaids.com.
Hi everyone, I hope you're having a great day. Today we are continuing our series on the best apartments in Dallas. The last Dallas neighborhood that we discussed was Victory Park. I'll link that video in the card so you can take a look. This time we're talking about the best apartments in the Dallas Arts District. Just like last time, I compiled this list based on Google reviews at the time of making this video. Okay, here we go. Number 5, 1900 McKinney. This 27-story building, which is named after its address, features condo-like apartments, views of Victory Park, Uptown, and downtown, as well as a 24-hour concierge. 1900 McKinney has a rating of 4.0 according to Google reviewers. Some of the complaints from current residents include construction or noisy maintenance during odd hours, the elevators frequently being down, and poor communication from management. Other issues were revolving the tour process for prospective residents and how they were treated poorly. However, there are a lot of 5-star reviews from residents who love living there due to its location and luxury amenities, including a resort-inspired swimming pool and 24-hour valet service. Per walkscore.com, this building has a 94 walk score and is rated 72 for access to transit and 75 for bikeability. So this building is great if you want a car-free or car-limited lifestyle. One-bedroom apartments in this building start around $2,000 and 2 bedrooms around $3,000 per month. Number 4, the Arts Apartments. Coming in with a 4.2 from Google, at number 4 is the Arts Apartments. This building is perfect if you enjoy the arts, as it's located in one arts plaza. You can easily get to the Dallas Museum of Art, the Windspear Opera House, and the Wally Performance Center from this location. It's also a quick walk to Clyde Warren Park. The Arts Apartments were built in 2010, and the building has 228 units in its 6 stories. Most of the reviewers seemed overall happy with the building and management and their living experience overall, with no major complaints. Studios and 1 bedrooms in this building start around $1,000 a month, 2 bedrooms around $1,600, and 3 bedrooms around $2,900 per month. Number 3, Emily Fountain Place. According to Google reviewers, with a rating of 4.9, Emily Fountain Place comes in 3rd on our list. This building is a 45-story luxury high-rise with modern residences and penthouses with high-end finishes. Fountain Place was originally designed by preeminent architects I.M. Pei and Harry Cobb and built in 1986. Over 30 years later, in 2020, Emily Fountain Place was built exactly where I.M. Pei and Associates had originally intended for a residential tower to be built. Building amenities include a 45th floor sky lounge with panoramic views of Dallas, landscape terraces with lounge seating, and a heated pool with private cabanas. Every residence has floor-to-ceiling windows with amazing views, European-style kitchens with Italian-made custom cabinetry, and most units have built-in wine fridges. 1-bedroom apartments start around $2,000, 2 bedrooms around $3,200, and 3 bedrooms around $5,800 per month. The building does have other fees, including a $450 pet fee plus $25 per month pet rent. They also charge $250 per month for garage parking and another $85 to $125 for a reserved spot. Number 2, Atelier. Located at the corner of North Pearl Street and Flora Street, number 2 on our list is the Atelier Apartments with a perfect 5.0 rating. Spoiler alert, there's the same rating as the first place building, but this building only had 1 Google rating so far, so I didn't think it was fair to have them tie with the first spot. This building was built in 2020 and has a luxury residential tower, as well as custom crafted artist lofts. The building has over 26,000 square feet of amenity space and 15,000 square feet of ground floor retail. The building also features a pet spa, private wine lockers, a membership quality fitness center, co-working spaces, and an on-site marketplace. 1-bedroom apartments start around $2,500 per month, and 2 bedrooms around $3,600 per month. Number 1, Residences at Park District. With a perfect 5.0 on Google at the time of creating this video, the residents of Park District take the top spot on our list. Located overlooking Clyde Warren Park, the Residences at Park District is between Uptown and downtown Dallas. Some of the building amenities include an urban sky terrace that has an open-air terrace on the 6th floor, with an infinity edge pool, social lounge areas, private cabanas, and greenscapes. The building also features valet parking, a rooftop dog park, and on-site restaurants. Google reviewers rave about the staff, security, amenities, and especially the view. I honestly couldn't find any complaints about this building, so it seems like a great place to live. So, there you have it, our list of the best apartments in the Dallas Art District. Look out for our next videos in this series and check out our previous videos as well. Have a great day.
This is brought to you by Valet Maids Dallas, your Dallas cleaning service. Use code SAVE30 for $30 off your first home cleaning at valetmaids.com. Remember to like our video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications.